All right. Another deep dive into Karina's journal.
Oh, yeah.
For those of you just joining us,
All right.
we've been looking at Dramestrony, the school for avatars,
Yeah.
future gods and goddesses.
Exciting stuff.
We've met Karina,
Of course.
Seed, and Shiria, all training in the Time Rift room.
Mysterious place.
But today we're going to focus on the fourth Dreams Rose, Lyria.
Sounds good.
Lyria's story is anything but ordinary.
What's so interesting about Lyria?
Well, for one thing, she comes from a totally different world.
Oh, really?
Literally. Her home planet, Neony, orbits a star called Distar.
Okay.
Way out in the Cygnus constellation.
Wow.
And one of its planets, Sahara. That's where Lyria grew up.
Okay.
It's kind of similar to Earth in size and gravity.
Interesting.
But the environment and the people, totally different.
So paint me a picture. What's it like on Sahara?
Imagine a world that's always cold. A fluidic atmosphere, constantly in motion.
Okay.
It's rocky, and the winters, brutal.
Oh, wow.
But here's the thing.
What's that?
The people are giants.
Whoa.
The men average 7'3".
Seriously?
And the women, 3 to 6'7".
Wow. That's incredible. I bet their doorways are massive.
Exactly. Everything must be huge.
Right.
Their buildings, even how they interact with each other.
Fascinating.
But then there's Lyria's family.
Okay.
She wasn't just any student.
Oh.
She was a princess.
A princess.
From Neony.
Okay.
With an imperial government.
Interesting.
But with a twist.
Oh. What kind of twist?
They're rulers.
Okay.
Like kings and queens. They're required to marry and have children.
They have to.
It's mandatory.
Wow.
Whether they want to or not.
So it doesn't matter if they...
It doesn't matter. Biological kids.
Yeah.
Adopted kids.
Right.
They just have to have kids.
Well, wow. That's...
To make sure there's an heir.
Right. A successor.
Yeah.
So much pressure, especially on someone like Lyria. I mean, with her personality.
Right.
Yeah.
Karina describes her as quite a presence.
What was she like?
Well, she was 6'7".
Okay.
Bluish skin. Piercing blue eyes.
Wow.
And she moved with such grace.
Sounds beautiful.
Karina said she had this regal bearing. But she was also very curious. And temperamental. She wasn't one for just sitting around.
So she was...
Always moving.
Right.
Always doing something.
Driven. Doesn't sound like someone who would fit into a strict educational system.
No, not really.
Yeah.
And if she was a princess, maybe she wasn't used to taking orders.
Good point.
So why send her to Dramestrony in the first place?
Yeah, it's not exactly known for being laid back.
Well, because Dramestrony is where they train gods and goddesses.
Right.
For future leaders of the universe. So even though she was a princess, sending her to Dramestrony was a way to prepare her to lead on a grand scale.
I see.
It was about her destiny.
Right.
You know, fulfilling her potential.
Interesting.
But even with that kind of pressure, it sounds like she still struggled with Dramestrony's way of teaching.
She did.
Yeah, Karina mentions it several times in her journal.
Oh, really?
Lyria found it stifling. All the strict routines.
Okay.
And the focus on obedience.
Interesting.
I think she would prefer a more hands-on approach.
Oh, yeah. Why do you say that?
Well, think about where she came from.
Okay.
Zorro, with its harsh environment and giant inhabitants, it was all about survival.
True.
You couldn't just sit around and theorize.
No.
You had to get out there and learn by doing.
I see.
So going to Dramestrony felt like a huge shift.
Makes sense.
All this emphasis on abstract concepts and theoretical knowledge instead of practical skills.
So, did Karina give any examples? Oh, yeah. Okay. She mentioned Lyria got into this heated debate.
With who?
One of the instructors. About the limits of energy transfer in artificial gravitational fields.
Wow, a physics debate.
That's Lyria for you.
Sounds like she had a sharp mind.
Oh, absolutely.
Wasn't afraid to use it.
Definitely not.
Even if it meant challenging her teachers.
Yeah, she didn't care who you were.
Wow.
If she thought you were wrong, she'd let you know.
So we're starting to see a clearer picture of Lyria.
Yeah.
A princess. A warrior.
Right.
A rebel.
Totally.
And now
a budding
physicist who challenges the status quo.
Exactly.
I like her already.
But let's not forget,
Yeah.
Lyria also came to Dramestrony with some serious skills.
Right.
We can't just focus on her frustrations.
Of course not.
We have to look at what made her such a standout student.
At a point.
What made her so formidable. Absolutely. You know, it's fascinating thinking about
What's that?
Lyria's background and how it shaped her approach to learning. Like, coming from Sahoro, where every day was a fight for survival.
Right.
She must have had a very different understanding of knowledge.
Totally.
And how you actually use it.
It's like she saw knowledge as a tool.
Exactly.
Something to solve problems with.
Right.
Not just facts you memorize.
And that practical mindset probably explains why she didn't quite mesh with Dramestrony's more theoretical approach.
Like, why are we even talking about this?
Exactly.
Let's just get out there and do it.
But remember, she wasn't just a student.
Oh, right.
Who was being difficult.
No.
Lyria had some serious skills.
Yeah, like what?
Like mastering those atomic energy staffs.
Oh, yeah.
Karina mentioned.
Right.
Those were like the signature weapons for Neony warriors.
Oh, those sound intense. What can you tell me about them?
Well, they were definitely not your average school supplies.
Oh, kidding.
From what I've gathered.
Okay.
Those staffs could channel atomic energy.
Okay.
Focus it. Create these powerful blasts.
So, like, imagine harnessing the very building blocks of matter. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's some serious firepower.
It makes you wonder what they were up against on Neony.
Right. Like, what kind of threats would they need that kind of weapon for?
We're talking alien invaders.
Giant space monsters.
Something even weirder, maybe.
Oh, man, I wish we knew.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Yeah.
Karina's journal's a bit vague on the specifics.
Oh, bummer.
But the fact that they developed such advanced weaponry definitely tells us they had to face some serious challenges.
They weren't messing around.
Yeah.
But it wasn't just the atomic energy staffs. Remember that cellular reactivator?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
The thing everybody on Neony carries?
All right, because of the extreme cold.
Yeah, exactly. Like, what if you're out and you get caught in a flash freeze?
It's like a portable defibrillator.
Right. But instead of your heart, it reboots your whole body.
Exactly. And it doesn't stop there.
What else can it do?
It acts as an energy reserve.
Okay.
Aligns your cells for maximum efficiency.
Wow.
And get this.
What?
It even generates a temporary gravitational field around you.
Hold on.
Yeah.
A gravitational field?
It's like a sci-fi movie.
That sounds like something straight out of Star Wars.
It's probably all tied to those harsh Sahara conditions.
Right.
Imagine you're caught in a blizzard or a sudden freeze. The gravitational field could stabilize your body.
Okay.
Keep you from being swept away.
Oh, I see.
By strong winds.
Interesting.
They could even protect you from falling debris.
So basically, it's like having your own personal force field.
Pretty much.
Wow.
It's all about surviving in that unforgiving environment.
Talk about extreme weather preparedness.
I'm kidding.
But, you know, with all this advanced tech, I can't help but wonder why Lyria struggled so much at Dramestrony.
Good question.
Like, if her home planet is that advanced,
right?
Wouldn't she already be ahead of the curve?
It seems like there's a disconnect between how Neony views tech. It's very practical, survival-focused.
Yeah.
And Dramestrony's emphasis on the theoretical. Remember that debate Lyria had?
Oh, yeah, with the instructor.
About energy transfer and artificial gravity? Maybe she was frustrated that they were focusing on the abstract instead of real-world applications.
So it's not that she wasn't smart enough.
Right.
It's just that she had a different way of thinking.
And different priorities.
Yeah, and maybe that's why she clashed with the whole Dramestrony system.
But we've been talking a lot about her skills, her tech, her frustrations.
Right.
But what about Shiria?
Oh, yeah.
We need to talk about...
I can't leave that out.
How their friendship... Right. Maybe help Lyria find her place.
At Dramestrony.
Yeah,
because even future goddesses need good friends.
Exactly.
And from what Karina's hinting at, Shiria might have been exactly what Lyria needed.
To navigate that strange new world.
Absolutely.
Right.
You know, when you think about it, Lyria's home planet, Dramestrony, they're like total opposites.
In what way?
Well, on Sahoro.
Okay.
It was all about survival.
Yeah.
Every single day. Pushing yourself to your limits.
Right, physically and mentally.
But at Dramestrony, the challenges were different.
More intellectual.
Yeah.
More about mastering concepts.
And honing your abilities for some higher purpose.
It's like she went from boot camp to a university.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And both were demanding in their own way.
Definitely.
And think about the impact that must have had on Lyria.
Yeah.
On Sahoro. She was a princess, a warrior.
Someone used to taking charge.
Right. She made things happen.
But at Dramestrony, She was just another student.
One of many gifted individuals.
All competing for attention.
And recognition.
That must have been humbling.
Especially for someone as strong-willed and independent as Lyria.
I can see why she felt out of place.
And then she met Lyria. And everything changed.
All right.
At least that's what Karina seems to be saying.
Interesting.
Like Lyria saw something in Lyria.
Yeah.
Something beyond that tough exterior.
Her brilliance, maybe?
Right, her potential.
Even her vulnerability, perhaps?
I think so.
And maybe Lyria helped Lyria see Dramestrony differently.
You think?
To appreciate what it offered? Without losing sight of her own unique strengths?
Because remember, Lyria wasn't your typical student either.
Right, she was different.
Enigmatic, intuitive.
Connected to that spiritual side of Dramestrony.
Exactly.
So maybe their friendship helped Lyria bridge that gap between the practical and the theoretical.
The physical and the spiritual.
It's possible.
And that's a powerful lesson for all of us.
It is.
Whether we're training to be gods and goddesses,
right,
or just trying to figure out our own lives.
Exactly.
But, as we've been talking, I keep thinking about that rule on Neony.
About the mandatory marriage?
Yeah, for the rulers.
Can you imagine that pressure?
I know, right? What if you just didn't want to get married?
I guess it makes sense in a way.
How so?
Well, it guarantees a successor.
Yeah.
Which is super important for stability.
Especially with all the threats they faced.
But it definitely raises questions.
About freedom of choice.
Exactly.
Did Lyria ever say anything about it?
Sadly, Karina's journal doesn't mention that.
Oh, bummer.
But it makes you wonder.
It does.
Maybe that rule played a part in Lyria's rebellious streak.
Oh, interesting.
Maybe she saw Dramestrony as just another form of control.
Like they were trying to limit her choices.
Dictate her destiny.
So she rebelled.
Against expectations.
Whether it was her family.
Or her society.
Or this prestigious institution.
She wanted to forge her own path.
Make her own choices.
And she did.
And that's what makes her story so inspiring.
It really is.
Despite the challenge.
All the frustrations.
She never gave up.
Found a friend who understood her.
Right.
A way to combine her unique skills.
With the knowledge she was learning.
And in the end, she made history at Dramestrony.
But that's a story for another deep dive.
Absolutely. But for now, we gotta leave you hanging.
I hope this little glimpse into Lyria's life has piqued your curiosity.
What do you think happens next?
What kind of leader would she become?
What kind of goddess?
Keep those theories coming.
We'll be back soon.
With more secrets from Karina's journal.